The most important thing about makeup that grabs everyone's attention is definitely the eyes. And I think nobody should go wrong with their eyes, especially on their wedding day. It has to be just perfect. So grab your coffee and get comfy because I'm about to show you how you can dress up those beautiful eyes for your wedding day. So I've already done my base by priming, color correcting, concealing and applying foundation. So I suggest you correct and conceal your under eyes after you're done with your eye makeup so you can later avoid the hassle of cleaning up any fallout or mistakes that you might have made on the way. And now to begin with my eye makeup, I'm using this palette which is perfect and has all the shades that would create an amazing eye makeup look. So I'm taking this lightest rosy shade and I'm gonna dust it all over my lids for that perfect base. Next, with your ring finger, pick up the sparkly gold shade from the palette and apply it on your eyelids. If you're wondering why I didn't use a brush, it's because the warmth of your skin picks up the product and melts it onto your eyelid in a much better way for a stronger color payoff. Now take the liquid liner to line your eyelids and wing it like a boss. And now take that iconic kajal and coat your waterline nicely for that mysterious depth. And now smoke out your kajal before it sets with that chocolate brown shade. Next, define your brows as it impacts on the overall look of your makeup. And then finish off by highlighting the brow bone. No look is complete without doing the lashes. And the secret trick for looking majorly glam is popping on a pair of false lashes. So apply the lashes and coat on some mascara for those beautiful feathery lashes. Now that I'm done with my eyes, I will finish my under eye correcting and concealing and then setting it with a loose powder for the ultimate bridal eyes. So I hope you enjoyed this bridal eye makeup as much as I enjoyed creating it. And with that, it's a wrap for now. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to Be Beautiful. And with that, signing off. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!